Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And for this reason, we are expressing gratitude to Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah, for keeping us well, for keeping us healthy. So, dear students, I hope you are eagerly waiting for watching my online class. I will try to take this class according to the book English Grammar and Composition for classes 9 and 10. I hope that topic which will be discussed today will be very helpful for you. So I will suggest you to listen my speech eagerly, and if you watch this video, this online class, you will be able to understand my lecture. If you understand my lecture, then my class will be fruitful. Today I am going to take class on verbs and tenses, and especially I will try to finish the topic on present tense, and then I will try to finish about present continuous tense. I will try to keep my class. I will try to finish my class within short time, because if it is done for long time, then it will be difficult for you to understand my lecture, because without a broadband connection it is very difficult for being student to watch long video. So I will try to finish within short time. At first, we will know about simple present tense. This simple present is formed by a main verb without an auxiliary. Look at the number one example. I teach English at college. In this sentence, teach is a main verb, and in this sentence there is no auxiliary verb. For this reason, this is a simple present tense. Then like this, she works in a bank. This sentence is also an example of simple present tense. In this sentence we find words which is a main verb, and there is no auxiliary verb before work. For this reason, this sentence is an example of present simple tense, and worked is the main verb and s is added with this because its subject is third person singular number. Then we are going to discuss about interrogative sentence, how interrogative sentence will be made if a sentence is formed in present simple structure. When we make a question in the simple present with the verb be, we put the subject after the verb. Look at the example 3. He is a writer, and here is a be verb, and if we make it interrogative, then the sentence will be is he a writer. In this sentence, is comes before the subject he. Then what will be with other verbs? With other verbs, we add the auxiliary do / does before the subject, and the main verb is in the infinitive mood. Look at the fourth example. He teaches English. If we make it in interrogative structure, then it will be does he teach English, because there is no be verb in this sentence. For this reason, does has been added before the subject. He teaches English. In fifth example, subject is he, and he is third person single number. For this reason, does has been added. And if the structure is in plural number or third person plural number, then do will be added. And this structure, this rule is in case of present simple tense. For example, they live in Khulna. 6th example. In this sentence, if we make this sentence in interrogative structure, then do will be added because they is in plural number. For this reason, do will come before do. Then the sentence will be transformed into from assertive to interrogative. If we are using an auxiliary or model is will, have, can, etc. in a question, we put the subject after the auxiliary or model. For example, he is reading. If we make it interrogative, then the sentence will be is he reading. Is before subject, is has come before subject. For this reason, this sentence has transformed into is he reading. Like this, the sentence he can swim well. If we make this sentence in interrogative structure, then the sentence will be can he swim well. Can comes before subject he. Now I will discuss how a present simple sentence tense will be made in negative structure. To make the negative of be, we can add not or short form of not. For example, he is an artist. If you make it negative, then the sentence will be I am not he is an artist, he is not an artist. Then the sentence in 18 number, they are friends. Then the sentence will be they are not friends. Not is added after auxiliary verb, after be verb, no are. Are here is be verb, and not is added after are. Now we'll learn about use of present simple tense. We use simple present tense for facts and descriptions. For example, milk is white. I am a teacher. She likes romantic movies. Then we use simple present tense situations. For we see as long term or permanent. For example, Tan lives in Dhaka. He works in a business firm. Habits and repeated actions. She takes the bus to work. She usually visits her parents on Fridays. These two sentences express habits and repeated actions. For this reason, this sentence is formed in present simple structure. If the sentence expresses schedules and timetables, then the sentence will be formed in present simple structure. For example, this train leaves at 7 a.m. tomorrow. The sentence expresses schedules and timetables. Like this, the exams start next week. This sentence also expresses schedule and timetable. For this reason, this sentence is formed in present simple structure. Like this, if the sentence expresses statements about the future, after, when, and if, then the sentence will be formed in present simple structure. For example, when if I see her tomorrow, I will tell her everything. We should know especially this rule that when we use the simple present to talk about something which happens frequently or regularly, we often use a frequency adverb such as often, always, usually, once a week, etc. Then the sentence will be formed in present simple structure. For example, he always reads the newspaper in the morning. In this sentence, always has been used. For this reason, this sentence is formed in present simple structure. Like this, she often cooks meals for a roommate. This sentence is also made in present simple structure, and we find that there is often in this sentence. So we are going to finish our today's class now, and now I want to express my gratitude to my learners for their patience, and I hope that they will be able to understand my lecture day after day. Their skills will be developed. Thank you, my dear students, for watching this class, online class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.